Hello and welcome to today's video. We bring to you the best 5 amazing shipping container house designs from our latest collection of container homes plans. Good, welcome back. In this series, we present to you the bespoke modern shipping container house designs that range from our smallest design done using a single 20-foot shipping container to our largest house designed with 10 20-foot shipping containers. This video will cover a complete presentation of 3D floor plans, full color pictures that are free to use on your shipping container house project. We post weekly videos on amazing design ideas from shipping containers. You are therefore encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for our inspiring weekly videos. Stay tuned as we explore these amazing designs together. So welcome to our first design. Our first design is Dwellbox 160. This is the smallest house in this series. It is designed using a single 20-foot shipping container. We have a single 20-foot shipping container that has been placed in that particular arrangement with an outdoor sitting space. So the salient features in this amazing design include a bed space, a wardrobe space, a sink, and a full bathroom. You are encouraged to provide nice interior finishes for your shipping container house, so you can explore different colors like what we've done in this particular design. But what is most striking about our design is the full height folding door that is accessing this particular container cabin. We've also managed to provide a provision of a sofa bed where you can transform the space into a bed at night and also use it as a sitting space during the day. You are encouraged to use light colored finishes for the interiors so that you can make the space look a bit brighter and bigger. In terms of exterior finishes, you can retain the original container corrugations just the way they are. If you've used a one-trip shipping container, consider leaving the exterior with the original colors and markings so that you can preserve its charm and its history. You can use a corrugated steel roof like what we've done on this particular container cabin so that you can protect it from direct solar radiation to help you regulate the internal temperature for this particular cabin. This cabin is also ideal to be used as a backyard guest house, so you can list it on Airbnb and earn some extra income. Our second house is Dwellbox 1600. This is an amazing shipping container house that has been designed using 10 20-foot shipping containers that have been arranged in a courtyard format so that you create a nice 5-bedroom house. We have the shipping containers arranged in such a way that we have a 1-meter gap in between each shipping container so that you can increase the floor space of this amazing house. We have that nice inclusion of butterfly roofs so that we can introduce a bit of character to the house and also to shield the containers from solar radiation. So the salient features we managed to accommodate, we have on the ground floor, we've managed to accommodate the living spaces. We have a lounge space, we have a dining space, we have an open plan kitchen and a pantry. We also have 2 bedrooms, one for the guests and also one that can be used as a boys' bedroom. We also have a full garage for 2 cars and a nice outdoor courtyard for family gatherings. We also have another additional outdoor sitting area that can be accessed directly from the sitting room. So from the entrance lobby, you have a nice sitting bench right in front of you, or you can take your staircase and you go to upstairs. On the upstairs, we have managed to accommodate the bedrooms. So we have 3 bedrooms on this particular level. We have a nice family room. We also have a full furnished master bedroom with a nice walk-in closet and a full master bathroom. We also have a small mini lounge in the master bedroom, and it has access to its own private terrace, which is generous enough to complement the bedroom space in that particular level. In addition to that, we also have a small study room on that particular level. Something worth noting is that all these bedrooms are self-contained. All the shipping containers are roofed with flying corrugated steel roofs to protect them from direct solar radiation. Yeah, you can explore different finishes for the exterior. Like in this one, we've used plasterboard and also the corrugations of the original shipping containers. Yeah, we also used some nice projections of the roof overhangs to shield the outdoor terrace spaces from direct weather elements. Yeah, the courtyard space has been protected from prying eyes with some nice timber slats, as you can see in that particular design. And we have a main entrance for the garage on the frontal facade, but to get into the house, you either get through the garage or you go on the other side to access the main lobby. Our next design is what I would call Lodgebox 320. Lodgebox 320 is a nice shipping container house designed using a single 40-foot shipping container. In this particular design, we can manage to accommodate what is essential for a good lodging space. Yeah, so we have 2 bedrooms in this particular space. We have a small kitchenette, we have a full bathroom and an extension to create a dining space and also some lounge sitting area. Yeah, we also accommodate a nice carport for people who are planning to use it as a lodge space or a guest house. Then it gives you all those provisions. Some nice feature also in this house is the outdoor shower space that has been accommodated in the original container doors. So on the interior, you are encouraged to use light colored finishes, provide maximum lighting using sliding and also folding doors like we've done in this particular design. And you are also encouraged to use light colored finishes and what I would call friendly furniture in the interior spaces. On the exterior, you can retain the original colors and also use some nice colored bands for the windows as we've done in this particular design. The carport is properly covered and protected. If you want it to be a garage, you are feel free to cover those ends and the open side so that you can enclose it and create a garage for yourself. Yeah, I had indicated we have a nice outdoor shower space. You can see it right there. So if you're living in the tropics, then this would be the ideal house for you. The timber slats add a bit of character to this particular house and also to provide the extension that we've created for the living area. Our next house is what I would call the Roundbox 480. Roundbox 480 is just as the name suggests, is a shipping container that is circular in nature and it has been created using 3 20-foot shipping containers in a 3-pointed star arrangement. Yeah, so in this particular design, we've managed to accommodate the following salient features. Yeah, we have a children's bedroom, we have a guest bedroom, we have a master bedroom, and we have a full living space which has a lounge, a dining, and an open plan kitchen. We also have an interesting central lobby that acts as a space divider in this particular house. From there, you are able to radiate to all the other spaces in this particular arrangement. You can also try out what I would call flat pack cabinets for the kitchen, like what you've done in this particular house to save on time and money. The floor finishes can be explored. Either you use laminated timber panels like what you've done in this particular house, or explore other materials that you find appropriate. You are encouraged to use full glazing for your openings to maximize on lighting, and also use light colored finishes for your interior spaces. You also encourage to use easy furnishing like what you've done so that you make the space not look clogged up. Yeah, different materials can be explored for the bathroom areas, but you can use similar materials for the bathroom and also for the kitchen backsplash. Provide adequate outdoor sitting space as we've done to enhance indoor living. Yeah, explore different materials for the outdoor spaces like what we've done for our exterior finishes. We've used a bit of plaster and the original containers so that we can juxtapose the rough edges of the containers against the smooth finish of plaster finish. Yeah, so feel free to do a bit of landscaping so that you can introduce a bit of charm and enhance the look of your house. The roof is done in a very interesting way that also gives a defining feature to this amazing house. The last house design we are looking at is Sheltabox 960. Sheltabox 960 is an amazing shipping container house designed using 6 20-foot shipping containers arranged also in a courtyard format just like Dwellbox 1600. But this one is a bungalow kind of house. We don't have it in 2 stories like the previous one. This is a single story shipping container house that has got a living spaces on one side and bedroom spaces on the opposite side, and the space in between is separated by a nice outdoor sitting area. Yeah, so we've managed to accommodate 2 bedrooms plus a master bedroom which is en suite. We also have a nice open plan living space that has got a kitchen, a laundry, and an extra cloakroom for the visitors. Yeah, you are encouraged to try out flat pack cabinets for the kitchen as usual because they'll save you time and money, and also they're easy to execute because they all come with an instructions manual. On the living room, you are encouraged to use light furniture so that you don't clog up your space with unnecessary fittings that you don't need. Yeah, you need to provide additional lighting from folding doors as we've done so that you make the space look a bit brighter and bigger. In the bedrooms, you can try out Murphy beds so that you can use the space for a children's play area during the day and also a space for sleeping at night. Yeah, so you can also try out different furnishing ideas so that you can make the space as interesting as you want it to be. On the exterior, we've tried to juxtapose some timber cladding against the rough edges of the original shipping container corrugations so that you can just create a nice interesting feel on the exteriors. We've also done some nice interesting bands around the windows. We retain the original cargo doors to create some nice Juliet balconies to this particular house. Yeah, so you can try out also nice moldings around the windows so that you can define the openings to give a bit of character to this particular house. So basically that is what we managed to cover for you in these 5 amazing shipping container house designs that we presented to you. So what do you feel about our shipping container house designs? If you have any question, feel free to ask by posting in the comments below. If you need further inspiration, feel free to check out our amazing videos on our YouTube channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe to our channel for our weekly videos on amazing shipping container homes. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.